So in this exercise, we want to try and look at the single leg Romanian deadlift. So this is very similar to the other video where we look at the North and standard Romanian deadlift. But the idea of this one is that we're going to have to work on our control a little bit more because we're going to do it standing on one leg. So in order to do this, you need some weights, or again, a barbell, dumbbell, whatever you've got at home. Bearing in mind, there will be different challenges depending on what equipment you're using. So do have a chat with your therapist regarding what's most appropriate for yourself. So in order to do this exercise, I'm going to use some dumbbells today. We want to be here. We're going to stand on the one leg. We're going to soften the knee, sticking the bottom out. We're then going to hinge at the hip. For that, pull in the back of the hamstring and then pull it back up. And again, soften the knee, bottom out, hinging forward to the hip, keeping the back flat, and then pulling back up. And again, like so. Again, if I turn to the side so you can see from here, if I stand face on, so you can stand on that one leg, getting your balance, soften the knee, bottom out, hinging forward to the hip, and back up. If the balance is really challenging, you can rest this non-weight bearing leg on the floor for your toes. Again, softening the main standing leg. So for me, this is my right leg and sort of the leg away from the camera. You can then bend and you can actually hip hinge from there. And again, it just helps with a bit of balance. If you're really struggling with your balance, but want to target the one leg a little bit more, this is quite a nice way to do it. And again, same as our deadlift, we want to keep the weights nice and close to our body. We don't want to be reaching forwards. So we want to make sure we're keeping that control all the way down and back up.